Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to put picture on message background on Messenger. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Messenger app right here. And once we open our Messenger app, just choose the conversation that you want to change the background. Let's say for example that we want to change this one here. So click this one. And then after that, all we have to do to change it is to go here on the top right corner and then click this icon right here. And then after that, you see this theme, which is right here. Click theme. And then after that, you will see a bunch of background or themes that you can choose. So let's say for example that we want to choose this one. Let's say for example this one right here. Let's do this one. So like that, you will see that this is what it looks like. And then after that, just click something. And then as you can see, it will now be changed into something else. It is now, the background has now been changed. And then if you want to change it again, all you have to do is to go again right here. And then let's say for example that we want to change to this one. And then after that, just click select again. Then you are now good here. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.